Hi again. I'll be going over parts of the eye today using a cow eye that I just dissected. And this was one of the coolest things I've ever done because cows have a tapetum lucidum. We do not, but it allows them to see at night. Dogs and cats also have this. It's this blue-green stuff on the retina, and it's gorgeous. Anyway, getting started on the anatomy of the eye, we have the cornea here, which I only partially took off because I wanted you to see how it attaches on the eye. This is the surface of the anterior compartment or anterior cavity of the eye, and it houses the aqueous humor. Is obviously empty now, so this paper towel is actually saturated with the aqueous humor, which is very similar to cerebrospinal fluid in composition. It just appears clear, and compared to the vitreous humor, which is housed in the posterior cavity of the eye, and it is much more gelatinous and viscous and partially solid. And it's pretty cool in texture. Behind the cornea, you can see this hole here is the pupil. It's within the iris, which is the portion of the eye responsible for our eye color. And the lens was also really interesting to hold. It almost feels like a plastic bead. I was very surprised at how durable it seems. And then we also have to point out for you the sclera, which is the portion of the eye that makes it white, the whites of our eyes, for example. And then the retina, which lines the back of the eye and appears black in this specimen. Between the retina and the sclera is the choroid, which is that vascular layer of the eye as well. And finally, you can see the eye looks almost completely intact, which is very cool. I did not totally dissect or split it in half for that reason. I did want you to see how it's composed. The optic nerve is right here coming out of the posterior of the eye. So that's the cow eye. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Thank you.